Hey guys, Satellite World Gaming here. Now I saw you guys like the ramp video, cool ramps. So I am making another ramp video. Now this is on a different map that's pretty old to BeamNG, and the the basic goal for this video is to just explore the map and do some ramp stuff, I guess. So let's go, I guess. Ooh, nice box. Oh no! Oh no! It was flying. Okay, so oh dear. I don't know if I should brake or I should keep accelerating. Well, it's too late. Oh no! Oh well, the roof. Oh well, the roof is gone. The roof is crumpled to bits. Oh, come on, come on! Ah! I tried to reach the ocean. Oh, gotta land. I'm gonna reach the ocean. No, I want to go to this. I want to go to the pool behind it. Okay, so it's like that. They get me to the pool behind it so I can get really far. Farther than that's humanly possible. Yay, I technically made it to the water. Does it still work? Come on, you can still work. Oh, the engine exploded. Oh, well, that sucks. Let's try that again. But with another car. I'll do overdrive. Oh, yeah. This thing looks nice. Alright, let's drive over. Oh, yeah, the speed! The speed, 300. Oh my gosh. Ooh, ooh, oh, oh. Well, not the worst thing that could have happened. It still works. Oh, it did work. Well, wheels bent. The engine's disabled. The engine disabled itself. Why did you explode on the engine? Huh, the wings are broken. It's literally pony wings. So, I am just going to now use a card that I've used only once, and I'm going to use VG from a video that I never uploaded. If you guys ever want to see that video, I might upload it one day. I had to modify it again. Okay, so here's the car. Let's drive. This car looks a lot like a Mercedes. I think it might be a version. Oh, here we go. Here we go. 220. I think it said that was the ideal speed. Yeet. Oh no. Oh, we're turning. We're turning. That's not good. That's not good. Or, um, mm. Oh, damn. Oh no. And the car drove. Well, okay. So, let's use a vehicle I thought I would never use on this channel because it wants to pull to the right so much. A pigeon. That's a truck. A pigeon truck. Can you believe how cool that is? It is a awesome looking pigeon truck. I don't know the speeds. I've never used this mod before. Oh no, over Everest. 200. I'm waiting for the engine to explode. Torque is being reduced. And hey, not bad. Oh my. Well, the front suspension is dead. Everything is dead. Dead. Well, I'd say that was a mission success. I don't know if it really was a mission success, but it was. Okay, one more vehicle before we go on to the next stuff. Uh, okay. I had to use it, okay, guys? I had to. You know I had to, no matter what. I always had to do it. Had to drive the chicken parade float. Wait, no. Parade float was slow. Instead, let's use the race option. Yeah, now I've got a race one. Alright, so professional racing tires. And the driver is a chicken. Oh, that is hilarious. Oh, yeah. Oh, the speeds. Oh, the speed. The speed. What are you doing? No, my chicken. Oh, well, my chicken. No, my chicken died. And I can make it. What the hell? That was a wheel. Yeah, well.